What's up, everybody? We're back in the garage, and I got something behind me here. It's something new, something cool. I would like you all to say hello to Trigger. This is my new to me 2015 Road Glide Special. I got it with 6,800 miles on it, and we've put about almost 1,200 miles on it so far. We haven't had her very long, but I tell you what, I fucking love the ride. So I've done quite a bit to the bike already. We've done saddlebag lights, the hand guards. We've done a new seat. We rolled my bars until I get new bars, and I put a progressive suspension on it. I did bag inserts as well. So I've done quite a bit to the bike, but I haven't been recording it. I apologize. I've just been riding the shit out of it, not thinking, oh, hey, Chops, you should probably be recording all this. So today what we're going to be doing is I got these new front LEDs. So to do that, we're going to have to remove the fairing, which is not hard. You got these 4 screws here. You got these 2 screws here and then 2 on the other side, as well as pop these guys out here. You're going to pop these speaker covers off, and there's 2 there. So bear with me here. Alright, so we will be starting with these 4 screws up top here, and then we'll be moving to these 4 lowers. Right, and then that just pops right off. Find a safe place to place your items. Alright, so next what we're going to do is there's 2 tabs here. Well, there's a tab here and here, a total of 2 tabs. You're going to gently lift up on this side and this side. So that should pop out. And once again, have a safe place for your stuff. Alright, so now that we've gotten to the point that we have pulled the windshield off, pulled the covering under the windshield off, I apologize, I don't know the terminology for it. This is what we're working with. This is what we got so far. Next, we are going to come down here and remove these 2 screws here on each side. I'll show you. Just get loose, and you got 1 more down here. Now, be very careful, you don't want to scratch your paint. And those will just come out. Then we will actually, to kind of show you guys, right back in here, you can reach your hand down in here, and these should pop out fairly easily. And you don't want to drop it. And you also don't want to scratch your shit up. Don't do that. But yeah, you're going to do that on each side, and then we'll go from there. All right, so now that you've got those 4 lower screws out and you've got the 2 faces off your speakers, you're gonna go in here, and I used just my T25 and loosen this guy up, and there's another one over there on the same deal. You're gonna loosen those up, take those out, and this puppy should be good to come off. So bear with me here, folks. Let's check it out. Alright, so side note, you have a bolt back here on the blinker. Make sure you remove that as well. That is holding on the fairing also. Just so you know. That actually wasn't too bad. So now we are going to get our bolts back in to hold the fairing on so it doesn't fall on us, and then we will start to screw these in. These will just screw into the facing here. I'm sure that piece isn't too expensive if I ever decide to pull these off and replace them, but I'm not too concerned about it. So hang out, check this shit out. Alrighty, so now the lights are in. Let's test them out. Super fucking bright. That looks good. We'll just hit our hazards here. I think it looks pretty good. Syncs up well. Left blinker. Right blinker. Alrighty, well I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm just going to put the bike back together. That's not very exciting. If you guys want to do this yourself, now you know how. If you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, leave them down below. Also, got the Instagram as well as Twitter, so make sure to go follow me there, and if you haven't already, go check out the merch. It's cool shit. I'm not wearing my hat right now, but I got some pretty cool hats on there. So, talk to you all later. Hope you guys enjoy the roguelike content. I'm going to be getting my GoPro set up, and we'll be going on some rides. So, till then, peace out, ride safe, 2 wheels down.